Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do something a little bit different. As you can see by the title, I wanted to see how much a year it costs to maintain my car. I have a 2012 Toyota Camry. So right now I have paid off my car. So right now I'm just paying maintenance and insurance. But I wanted to take a look and see how much actually maintenance how much money of maintenance I'm putting into, if that makes sense. Because, you know, cars are a lot to maintain, and I have a sinking fund for car updates or car maintenance, or car updates is what I named it. So I wanted to be realistic and see how much, roughly like a year, do I need to put in this sinking fund to help maintain it so I'm not using a credit card. So if you'd like to see more of this video, just stay tuned. Here I have my invoice, and you know how whenever you go to the car dealership, you know, you go in there for one thing only. You're like, I just need an oil change. They come back with a list of all the other things that you needed to do. And you're like, hold up. Wait a minute, I didn't ask you to find anything else. I just wanted you to do an oil change. So that's pretty much what happened with me. I went in for my routine oil change. My little light went off, and I was like, okay, time for an oil change. And lo and behold, they found all these problems with this car. I mean, granted, the car is what, like 5 years old, 2012, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh wow, 7 years old. Sorry. So, I mean, it's gonna have wear and tear and everything like that. So this is a script sticker I made with my Silhouette. I'm doing a trial and error. I mean, I think it came out pretty good. And here I just wrote, I seen on, where did I see it on? Pinterest, where they had pretty much this gist going on. So this is what I did. I did the date, description, shop, miles, and cost. So I'm going to do the date, which is 5/12. And so what I got was an oil and filter change. And that was at Atlanta Toyota. And that's a shop just here in Georgia. And the miles on my car is 112, 127. And I also got a transmission fluid flush. And that was at the same place. And that was the same amount of mileage. And so what that came to, my total, according to this invoice, was $424.43. So I'm just gonna do a blank here because it was included in the cost. So it came to Hoboken frame, $424 and 43 cents. And what includes in that $424, they said, was the labor, which was $147, the parts, which were $252, miscellaneous charges, which were $8, and tax, which is $15, which totaled $424. So this pretty much concludes my video. It's pretty short, sweet. Just give you ideas of how much it costs to maintain a car. I'm also going to do a video on home maintenance too, since I am a homeowner, and see how much it really costs a year and how much I should be putting roughly into my sinking funds. So I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully it gave you some, some things to think about and, everything like that. So guys, I will catch you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.